Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, a very special one, guys. It's a bright morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos, it's a kind of different videos. So this is what I'm calling home. Actually, east west, home is the best. So anyway, guys, in case you're new here, subscribe. So this is the borehole or a well that we have here, and on today's videos I'm going to cook matoke and matumbo for my family for the first time. So for my young brother and sister, when they came from school, they find something on the table, and let's see my experience to cook matoke and matumbo, or banana and matumbo. So matumbo is a Swahili word, means small intestines for the cow. So right now I'm late right now, to be honest, so I'm rushing to Nyabohanse to see whether I can get those matumbo. So maybe my kitchen for today will be outside, maybe here, cooking matumbo and banana. So you will see, guys. And on today's videos I'm going to host one of our upcoming YouTuber. We do it videos random here as friends, and you know, guys, it's good to support people, you know, so support maybe neighbors, relative, friends, you know. So today I'm going to shoot these videos together with Felicitas. So actually I want to tag her link on my videos or on my description, so you can click and subscribe. For me, guys, I feel so good. I see her channel keep growing. So right now she almost 160. Guys, take her to 200 on today's videos. So probably that's my outdoor pit right there. So anyway, guys, I don't want to talk too much because right now I'm so late. So I want to take my bike, and let me tell you one thing, guys. On my pocket I have 300 shillings right now here. Oh, let me show you, guys. This is how 200 Kenyan shillings looks like. And also, oh my god, and also these are 100 shillings. So that's $3. I'm going to buy matumbo, coriander, also tomatoes and what else? Coriander, tomatoes, green pepper, and then you'll see, and also roco cube for flavor on matumbo. So let's go, guys. But before I leave home, I want to show you what's going on. This is what I'm calling home. East west, home is the best. Home is the best. Home is the best. Wow, I'm trying to look for my African mom to say hello. So I'm so late. Last night I sleep like a goat, to be honest. Mama ni hage? Yeah. Oh, okay. So I'm heading this way to show you the part of my project which I was running through, buying these materials here for my mom's dream house. Wow, I'm telling you, before that, let me go and greet my grandma, my great grandma. Yesterday I make shopping for her, so let's see how she was doing, you know. When I was around, man, I support my family a lot. I support my family a lot. So let me greet her as we continue from here. Wow. Anyway, guys, welcome on today's videos. This is my grandma, my great grandma home, right here with one house. Cook, buyor, eh, orage, kore wichai, eh. Ndatuna hikenya buhanse, ngore chini pachukuruga. Ekyo kugendere. Ikinyigita? Ndoche. Ndoche. Kinyigita eh?
Kuna kungo.
Kau kau dicahu nyoy. Ay.
Asante.
Amuguta atarte hokan. Ay, tiwini ko paguri chinin. Guys, I'm greeting my great grandma. Yesterday, make a shopping for her, and
mugeni yuwaenta hano niliwotoa mure ntira chikunkeri.
ndamurete atantara tumaniri botukia wapo.
Ono waburi tumana kuyumure ntanki.
Ndamurete nkagiri kana kumenta ko nano. Mara kuma kiko kibuni mokirigo. Isireni igo buire. Ke guchura nkurete na ngore mama binto bike. Akora teri biende. Kayona ndingere buire. Ndamurete ruskoro. So my great grandma blessing me told me when you walk on the way, God bless you. I go to any Kenya Hanse.
Yes, sir.
So I'm heading this way, guys, to show you the material. Mom, wherever you are, thank you so much. On my yesterday videos, I support my grandma, and also it's a double prize. It's a double gift. I arrived in my village at the same time. So that being said, it's a double. I surprised my great grandma, my mom, and also my two cousins, and also my brother. I paid the money for the in school. So anyway, guys, thank you so much, mom, for supporting me to have the vlogs right there watching this video. Thank you so much. You know, nothing to say, but thank you so much. Imagine, guys, from a handman to own this material that you see here. I'm telling you, this one here, it took me 6 months to bought every maybe 2 tippers, 1 tippers. And to be honest, me, I make some steps. It's by God's grace, man. It's by God's grace, for sure. It's by God's grace. And initially, I will let you to know what is going on. I'm telling you. Hey, I see the small kids pulling up the 2 containers. Orieto, yaki. Manchu kuirahar. Anyway, guys, I heard on the comment section one of my good subscribers asked me, what's up about your project of making bricks? Guys, to be honest, I was saying I'm promising you I will let you know what's going on. But because of time here and there, maybe on tomorrow's on Friday, maybe on Saturday or Sunday, I'll let you know what's going on. When I brought these bricks here, these blocks, man, I'm telling you, chaos in my village is too much. This one here, because I had the conflict between her mom, the guy who make for me bricks, her mom, and I. And also, because no time for negativity in my village here, me, I said, you know what, guys, shh, I will let you know full story, what's going on. At that time, I'm so disappointed, because when somebody embracing me with no reason, so I just kill them. Oh, this one fall from here. Oh my God. You know, look, me, I'm showing you how I make some steps. Man, it's by God's grace. These things, it's not easy. It's not easy, you know. But it's by God's grace. So anyway, guys, today I don't want to talk too much. Oh my God, I don't want to talk too much. So let's go and buy those Matumbo and some maybe veggies, you know, or some how am I going to say this? Some ingredients, you know, to add more flavor on the food. So right now I just pull up. So I left my key here. This is my key, because when I'm around at home I left the key here. So it's time to left home. Oh my God. So So this one are not hiking nowadays. So I wanna use. Oh. Well guys, so that's how we go. Let's go. Let's go up to the behind. So this is what I'm calling home within here. Man, on today's videos are very special, and I'm doing cooking videos for the first time, cooking matoke and matumbo, because it's a kind I'm late, but let's see whether I can get those matumbo. We're heading this way. Wow. Let's go. This video is raw and uncut, nothing to be hide. Nothing to be hide as Hello Web official. So we keep going straight. We have the cow right here grazing. Oh, that's the beauty for my village. Right now it's summer season, man. I talk these things. Look, it's dust everywhere. Imagine all the way from my home going to Nyabuhansi to buy Matumbo. Car grazing right here. That sounds so nice, man. Oh my god. That's the local shop called Kibandask. This is where my sister and brother and also my cousin land, right here. Let's go and see what's going on. Up to Nyabuhansi. And guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, let me know what you think about on the comment section below. You know? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, guys, to my channel. Subscribe. You have the rental house right here at a cheaper price, and I think it's an expensive. Wow. Guys, I'm almost at Nyabuhansi right now. I'm almost. Where? Almost. Oh. Anyway guys, welcome to today's videos. Right now I'm in Nyabuhansi. I'm telling you the way it is. Anaangalia kitu hapo. So I'm trying to look for Matumbo, but I can't find or not. Let's see. Na Matumbo lakini gapi amanuru fazi anawachungura ibintu bino bitaho Oh guys, so I'm heading to the butcher. Nikatia matumbo. Nusu ni shingapi?
Nusu 200.
Kangambe tuma. So this is how Nyabohanse looks like. I'm telling you. Bokoro. Muruwata kenge nusu. Muyor. Nera ta. Yes guys, I'm greeting this grandma to Mr. Gaki. Ni matumbo ngorba ikuheka. Never kuhekiri bitoke tare ku ati chiri ni bela.
Bitoke mu kuheka.
Haya. Sumesema nusu ni shingapi? Anyway guys, right now I have Matumbo, but I decided, you know what? Let me come to the business construction to see what is going on, and then I'll take you to the market, to our local market, to purchase tomatoes, coriander, and also green pepper, and I think Royco for adding flavor on Matumbo and also on banana, on Matoke. Oh guys, the space is too small, but it is what it is. Hey, maybe I will hang here. This is my Matumbo. As long as I get Matumbo, nothing to be stoppable. Wow. So this is the staircase. Make work easier. Wow. Whew. I climb on this ladder here. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm telling you, this video is a mixture of videos. At the same time, I'm at the business construction, and then I'm heading home to cook Matoke with one of our upcoming YouTuber. So I'm trying to mentor her step by step. One day, she will be a superstar. I'm working here. If you are not affected by pressure, you can walk here. I'm telling you. Wow. But I'm through that kind of energy. Go away. We have here Mr. Who?
Black Mamba.
Mr. Black Mamba.
What's up, guys?
You're basking the sun?
No, I'm basking, but others have left for breakfast.
Okay.
So I've decided to be here watching the site.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see that you are traveling.
No, me I came to purchase Matumbo, to buy Matumbo.
Oh, you have a visitor?
No, I'm going to make a video.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I'm going to make a video.
That's great.
Cooking Matoke and
Oh,
Matumbo.
you want to pass?
Yeah, you can give a special shout out. Yeah.
Hello, guys. This is Black Mamba. Right now we are at the junior construction site. Okay, as you can see, the work is well done.
Oh, guys, look.
Okay, this
And the house is so big,
this,
up to other side. Oh, hapa katikati patakaa shimo hivyo.
hakuna tutaweka.
Mnaweka hizo kama hizo hapo.
But right now timbers ndio zimekosa.
Okay.
As the timbers arrive, we are going to start the exact procedure like this one. But meantime, as from tomorrow, trappers will be.
Yes, you have already finished from here. Form work.
Form work is ready.
Finished.
Trappers and steel bars.
Okay.
This side, this side trappers. But and the next step we are going to build on this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Meantime, it's paused because of timbers, but we are on the process of arranging the timbers. They will be arriving here.
Let's say maybe by next week, maybe you shall put concrete. I'm going to koroga next week. Still work.
Yeah. Next week will be full of steel work.
Okay.
Tying steel work, ring beams.
Let's say in April you start putting concrete here.
Next week, April. Yeah, April you can.
First week on April, you put concrete.
Yeah, it will be concrete.
Okay, guys, check Black Mamba on
Black
YouTube
Mamba,
channel.
I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share. I will thank you.
Okay, you're lucky enough. Every time when I come here, I give you a special shout out.
Thank you.
And the good thing about me, nothing to be hide. I will never cut anything. And here, Managa Nikafini. Say hello.
Hello guys.
Just Kirioba.
I'm here with Hello Baby Official. I'm King Charles Kirioba 254. Here working at the Juniors Construction. We are now still doing on farm work. So up to this level, we are just remaining with trappers. So has to start still work.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Charles Kirioba.
That's King Charles.
I know my
King Charles. That's my YouTube channel.
They can subscribe.
You can subscribe,
Yes.
comment. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, guys. It's good thing when I pass here, I give them shout out because I'm heading to our local market to buy some coriander, green pepper, and also tomatoes for adding flavor on matumbo and banana or matoke, whichever the case. Why not Hello Baby Official? Let's go. Hey, hey.
Watu wanasema ni miango yaonekana, si uambie
Nini?
yaonekana tu account yangu.
Itaonekana tu. Mbona mimi iliniletea notification?
But for new subscribers, hawanipati.
Watakupata. The house is so big, man. Sijui sasa itakureflect.
Visual reflect. Black Mamba reflect.
Ita reflect. Labda wenyewe ndo hawajui kutype. Guys, look how Nyabohanse looks like. Woo! Let's go. Acha mimi ninunue matumbo.
One day I'll be sure. I'm dreaming to have a piece of land here when I will be successful in YouTube.
Okay, you're welcome. Here is Canaan. Yeah, I'm telling you. Here is Canaan. Even our land is fertile.
Oh,
Yes.
of YouTube.
Anyway, guys, let's go and buy those stuff because of time and see what's going on next. Hizi tunatembea hapa. Yeah? Yeah. Sasa labda kwenda kesho. Sasa jana ni jana. Guys, I'm passing on this mulada. Anaenda kupika. Si matumbo yako hapa.
Uko na wageni?
Si ni video, so content. Si familia yetu itakula. Si familia inakula tu. Si matumbo nimehanga hapa. David Amba, hello.
Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is David Jr. We are at the construction here.
Yes.
We're working hard. It's early in the morning and yeah, we keep pushing.
Yes.
Yeah.
I see very soon you're gonna put tapas here.
Yeah, because right now today trappers will be here.
Okay.
So today trappers and tomorrow and today is on?
Today's on
a
Thursday. Yes.
Probably from Sunday they wanna be doing the bars.
Okay.
Yeah, but so far so good. The work is going on smoothly.
Congratulations. You know this work is not easy.
Yeah, it's not, guys. Like right now, my mind is far away from here. Just thinking about how everything wanna be.
Okay, me I'm going to cook matumbo. For my family is right here.
Okay, guys, keep supporting him. Subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
more amazing videos are coming.
Okay, David. See you later. Guys, I'm going to cook matumbo and also matoke. If you know matoke, guys, comment. Look how I was passing here, like, wow. Oh my God, boom. So the house is coming in good shape. See, right here, man. Oh my God. So the only thing that I'm going to do is to left my bike here and heading this way. I have my small matumba here. Sometime I cook, I do cooking videos, construction, and also maybe when I'm traveling a little bit, I show you. Look at this dog right now. Let's go. Let's go and see. Fresh. Hey guys, I feel like I want to take soup before I'm heading this way. Let's confirm the soup here. I feel like I want to take soup. Msuri uko wapi? Tupunguzie sauti sasa. Dango, tujutweke supu. Si radio?
Hata isi.
Msuri uko wapi? Hey, ni rengo msuri uko ene? 50. Umusuri uko ene? 10. Tanto rame msuri ninyo. Guys, I need to drink soup. Heni nipunguzie hili. Itafika kitu ina nasi. Guys, I have Matumbo here. And I feel like, I feel my body will take soup, you know. And man, let me tell you one thing. It's good to drink soup, local soup. So let me hang here. This is my Matumbo. I'm hanging here because the dog will never take away Matumbo. My dog, magana Matumbo nena. Ini Matumbo naenda kupika neke supu.
Matumbo na ukula kile.
Sinaenda kupikia video. Na hii ni chimbaru. Oh, nyama za kawaida.
Ni nyama sana chemshaka.
Okay guys, this meat, that's how we boil. And actually guys, let me tell you one thing. Soup is just over here. Numu here. That. And this is my pork which I'm going to cook for. Ikona kia mungu nikona meno. Ai mama ngui. The soup. Elbi yake mungu. Usike nyingi. Tagawa. Wankira kuningani nyanda ya mungu isire. Kuna lima we. It's so hot. Woo. Oh my god. Chop. Kani mkichiko. Sasa na kijiko. And all these veggies. Cowpeas. Sasa na kijiko. Ukiende. Njoo msuri weka kwa chumvi. Even watu hawajui. So guys, I'm telling this soup right now here. Oh my god. I'm telling you, I feel like to take soup. So I'm cooling. Auntie, how kwa gina gichure? Oh. As I'm cooling. Cooling the soup. Let me try whether it's ready. Then I drink like chwa. One more to go. These are purely traditional soup. When you take this one, man, you'll be remaining strong. Wow, that's my hair, man. That's my natural hair. I'm telling you, nothing to be fake. And guys who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the Junior and also subscribe to Brother Dagi. I really appreciate it. But on today's videos, man, I give so many people shout out here, including the Mason who are working at the Junior, and also it's a good thing, man. From my bottom of my heart, no jealous. Me, I give shout out to peoples. If my heart feel to support people, I support. If my heart did not support people, no. But man, let's support each other, you know. Like you see, I was in the Venus construction, meeting the mason and engineer, giving them shout out, and also met Dave Juniors also. Man, without Dave Junior, even to drink this soup here, it's so hectic. He introduced me to you guys and he showed me some love, and me, I give respect to Dave Junior because he was the one who uplifted myself from 0. And guys, you really supporting me a lot, holding me with one heart, with one hand, and this journey, it's longer journey. It's 1,000 milestones. And remember, on today's videos, I'm going to make cooking videos with one of our upcoming YouTubers soon. She wanna pull up at my home making videos. You know, me, I just supporting her. I want to see one day supporting her family, sitting on a good place, eating nice food, you know, and then she will remember one day Hello Baby supporting me, you know. Wow. So it's about time to drink soup. Oh my god. I think everything it's okay. This soup right now here. Oh. Kunywa maji. Unataka basi ninoe vitu nikuje hivi. Ama unipe 90. Tiambia ngori vintu hicho nakuja kupita ni.
Uninuliane na nyanya za teni.
Sasa teni ni ngapi? Moja.
2.
Unanunuaga wapi?
Kwa mama yote tu wewe wakati.
Mimi nanunua kwa Nyasoko.
Kwa Nyasoko.
Mimi ndo nanunuaga pale. Ndo naenda kununua.
Utaniletea mbegu.
Okay. Let me take my Matumbo with my carrier bag. Okay, oh guys, I was drinking soup right there. So heading this way. Let's go and see. Let's go and see. So guys, I came to buy some tomatoes. Right now, no coriander here. And also Royco cube, man. This thing smells for ladies. Man, I don't know about this issue. I just started seeing. Mama toy my buchume vokongere mama. Bonwa is chafoti sanga. Mama na ni kurugera pa na school tipa mama ta hayo. Ota getegera hayo. Ta hundire etango betu.
Otamanyere.
Kantai.
Kasi 1.5 hayo.
Yango. Tigi kyo kasha. Turia mama ina kuja.
Kasi na tu kwanza yandere.
Eno. Ntama ukashi.
Uno.
Natabeti menga rambo na nchira sasa nia. Mama nifungie nyanya. Na zile kubwa kubwa ni the big one. Big one. Na toa mama roe.
Chone mwikumi. Achagorore.
Haya. Sina chawu garra.
Sina chirengi chuno chawu. Neka de chinko.
Wana kabicha kiva kunya ribitoke mo. Nibitoke ngekuva iyo ni mbovu. Kana
hano haifiki ndani.
Mama teo nenege donda.
Haya. Hii ni nzuri. Haya nyongezo. Uwe tatika nyingi vitunguli.
Vitunguli ni birenge kiribira. Kana tanenda nia.
Na ringe nkojuri ichi imeteke boneka na ndu sirikira ke boneka jo.
Sawa. Lakini giringo gitirive no karusiri.
Na rintigire ho kwanza ke. Kana ko musama na ngi ka ge minyongo ka abana bo nani ba usya mabate nyu haraba kuri gento ke ta mabate ananya na temera kuiga.
Ngatare ngi bara ba mukaba. So we have eggs here.
Yang to tray.
No mama, I have eggs at home. You know right now I'm going to cook Matumbo.
Erbono idiri ni yakere ere inquieta pai.
Oda na chango te nda
ko. Na behira hisire.
O mai ngi kubira ya bin cheni ma sentiana ngo ta dang sombur mukungora.
Mukungwa uwasa ya pa kanye no retata.
Oh guys. So let's go and buy green pepper. Tata, ngoja tata. Mama Morris, kuna dania?
Hata imeisha. Hakuna hii kulala nyingi vile. Imeisha.
Patia basi ho. Sasa hii dania nitaipata wapi?
Haki dania ni ngumu saa hii. Hali yake ni mbovu. Nikupatia
ama niende Sirari. Moja ni shingapi? Nipatia 20. Hii nitabidi niende tu Sirari. Saa hii
dakika hii.
Sina pikipiki.
Kahamu kamekupeleka leo huko.
Sasa nimetafuta imekosa. Nina.
Lakini Sirari ukaenda unasema sijui unaipata.
Wapi?
Sirari.
Sirari lazima niipate. Haya sana. Guys, I'm back home and right now from the market I found my mama washing clothes. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, so today mama, I'm going to cook matumbo and matoke. Yes. I don't know rafiki. Tukuja kumsaidia kupika. Yeah. So mama washing clothes right now here. Hey, that's my biological mother. And guys, let me show you. On today's I'm doing out kitchen door. Cooking matoke outside here on my beautiful dish trees right now here, and inside the kitchen it's somehow hot and dark, so we need a good view. So this is matoke that I'm going to have right now here, and also pots, 2 knife, you know, these 2 knife, and so that being said, I'm going after a few minutes. I'm still waiting that young upcoming YouTuber, so we came and share idea on how to cook these things. At the same time, I have matumbo here. Man, let me tell you, I have tomatoes. I have okay. I have green pepper, this lemon. Also inside here I have matumbo, so I don't want to show you maybe because of the blood and everything. So right here I didn't find coriander, so we have the coriander spices right here. This salt, you have 2 onions. So first thing that I'm going to do, let me put these things here. First thing that I'm going to do, guys, is to boil matumbo, you know. And then, oh my god, I cover because hands disturbing me. Go far away. Taratendo. At the same time, I'll fetch water here because it's one for my mama washing clothes right there. So I'll fetch water here using inside the kitchen. I need to arrange stones, you know, things like that. So, well. Imagine, this is matoke right now here. Calling matoke. There's a time I went to boat in Tanzania. Wow. Oh my god. So probably we have stones right there. I wanna start arranging, you know, 3 stones. Because I'm going to use the bricks, no blocks, to put down here. Wow. So within here, maybe I wanna put those stones here. So that one could be my kitchen, and I would have the 2 seats there. So we need to split firewood, man. It's so hectic. At the same time, when my brother and sister came to school, they found matoke and everything's already. You know, so let's see. Let's show you those stones that I'm okay. Let's see. So I'm going to use these 3 stones here for cooking. You know, these 2 blocks. These blocks. I'll use these 3 for cooking. Wow. So soon, guys, you wanna see that upcoming YouTuber, you know. So I feature her on my video sometime. Sometimes she made her videos. I give her shout out, you know. So it's good to support each other, man. You know, it's good to support each other. The way I put something on table, let's support her. Maybe one day they will put something on table on her family. On her family. So guys, I'm thinking how to take these stones. I'm alone. I'm a cameraman. I need to take these stones. Wow. But she told me she wanna be around. She be arrived around 4:30 in my home. Even right now I didn't see her. You know, YouTube is not easy. Why not Hello Baby official? So let me, maybe I'm waiting her from other side right there. So when I see her, I wanna pull up. Hey guys. So guys, stay tuned. Let me go and make a call. So because it's too late. So guys, I see her right there. So I'm going to pick her. So because when I'm starting this video, they'll be here and also shooting her videos. You know, it's good to share. So I'm coming to fetch water here. So I think I make everything to be okay. I organize everything, buy some coriander and spices that I needed. Okay, we have baby calf grazing here. Okay, man. Wow, you had the motorbike passing there. It's drop her right there, so she's coming. Because I'm calling home. You know, guys, I told her, when you make, the moment you make 2 to 3 videos, just came for the shout out. Even not only 3 videos, just came for the one. If you make 1 or 2 videos, come for the help. You know, I did like this. We plan. Wow, so I'm heading this way and heading this way. So I'm passing here. Imagine, guys, this videos is to prepare matoke, so it's longer. Wow, I came to check our car. It's sleeping here. Hey, look at this one here. Wow, another one there. I want to scan the kim. Wow, so I'm rushing to pick her on the road right now. So technically we wanna cook and also mama test matoke and matumbo for the first time. Wow, let's go. Hey, on today's videos I give people's more shout out. More shout outs. Wow. Okay, guys, she told me she was be around here, so maybe we'll be coming from this side or this side. Okay. Wow, she just pull up. I think from here. Guys, she was coming. Ah, you walk. I seem you're tired. How was everything?
It's fine.
Yes, introduce yourself.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby official channel. Yeah, my name is Felicitas.
On YouTube. Alright, guys, on today's videos I give many people shout out, and Felicitas, today you're going to cook matoke and matumbo for my family.
Yeah.
You know me, I'm new, so I wanna create my videos to be good, and then you know what, I decide to call you, and then at the same time you make your own videos.
Yeah.
You know, let's go. I've already buy matumbo. We have banana I arrange everything outside. So the only thing that I'm remaining with is to fetch water and arranging 3 stones for outdoor kitchen. You know, today I'm going to cook outside because most of the time I realized in the kitchen it's somehow dark, and right now it's summer season, so outside it's hot and iron sheet also hot. So it's good to cook outside as you breathe fresh air. So let's
Yeah,
cook.
but outside there is wind.
Windy. So we use other means where you cover with the iron sheet. So far so good. How was your channel?
Oh, it is going good. Yeah.
I saw you yesterday posting a video, a nice video. I love I love the fact that you put more videos every day, and you put more energy. You know, the more you put more videos, the more you gain subscribers.
Yeah.
So right now you are 161 subscribers.
Yes.
How was your feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe from now up to May or June, you'll be 500 subscribers. Trust me. March, May, maybe September there, you'll be 1,000. So, and I'm promising you, the moment you see me starting my mom's dream house, you just come making videos, and maybe you can spend your own money cooking for the mason, you know, as you create videos.
Yeah.
Yes. That one, I allowed you free of charge. You know, I will never charge you. You use your own money, like going and buy matoke or sardines or anything, or flour. You came and cook chapati for our mason. You said one day, a surprise, Hello Baby's mason. A day is coming.
Yes.
I think I want to start that project on June. So right now, it's my time to look for material, you know. Me, the moment I get money, I spend in terms of construction. You know?
Yeah.
You'll be there watching my videos.
Yeah, I'm watching.
And if you get the moment you get money, try to invest. Maybe some time, maybe you invest step by step, you buy your own GoPro. You know?
Yeah.
Not maybe every day using your sister's GoPro. You know?
Yeah.
It's good to have your own GoPro. Me, I'm advising you. When you get money, try to invest. You know, when it reach maybe, let me say, $500, that's 50 Kenyan shillings, you can afford your own GoPro.
Hey, but it's too much money.
Yeah, I know it's too much money. Yeah. If you want, maybe for example, I'm using my own GoPro, and then this GoPro, it gives me more videos, good videos, and it creates money. You know, this GoPro that you see here is the one that is constructing the toilet, everything. You know, I create good videos, people watch, and then me, I can't pretend. People supporting me a lot. People supporting me a lot. 100%. I get support from people by watching videos and supporting me in other way.
Okay.
You are hungry.
No, I'm not hungry. No, my home is far from here.
Yes, you walk.
Yeah.
Today no motorbike?
No.
Oh my god. Maybe after the end of these videos, when you finish maybe cooking and everything, and actually we have my mom at home. So right now we do hurry up because I want my brother and my sister, when came home for lunchtime, they will find food on table.
Yeah.
So right now I'm remaining with my mama home here. So let's go and make videos. So do quick. Guys, check her out. I really appreciate for the love and support. Maybe on today's videos, my subscribers, they wanna take you to maybe to 200 on today's videos. Hopefully. Even me, I believe on that. 200 subscribers. So let's go that way, and then I show you once more. You know, last time when we be here, I showing you on our videos.
Yeah.
So June, I want to demolish this house to build for my mom's house. So technically, guys, we don't want to speak maybe project on today's videos.
Yeah.
It's all about cooking.
Yeah.
You know, people ask me, hello baby, just cook, one day you see a video. So Felicitas,
Do you know how to cook?
I know a little bit, maybe things like ugali and maybe roasting the meat or barbecue. But maybe cooking matoke, I'm new. Maybe to add ingredients, I'm new.
Oh.
So that's the reason why I make a call you yesterday. Just come and assist me to show me this and this. I don't want to disturb my mom. My mama went to the farm looking for the cow. Came and right now she was washing clothes outside there. I think so. I was filming the videos, my mom washing clothes. So I don't know how to cook matoke.
Okay, I will teach.
Yes, you know, things meant for the ladies. Let's left for the
only
ladies.
Even some men are doing. Yeah.
Okay, Felicitas, me by God grace, I buy for my mama blocks, and it's one courtesy of my subscriber who made it possible. I don't want to mention name on my videos, but he or she watching these videos, they would know himself or herself right there. Me, I want to say thank you so much, ma'am, for the love and support. Actually, the blocks right there. And I remember even on my yesterday videos, if you're watching my video, you'll see. So let's go. I don't want to talk too much. Maybe showing people's project. When I was walking from my home, going to Nyabohanse, I've already shown people. But this video, I show you, I made these things. If Hello Baby can make it, why not you? Why not you? People ask me, why not Hello Baby? Me, I'm telling you the reality. If Hello Baby today make it, why not Felicitas?
Even I will make it one
You will make it one day.
Yeah.
No pressure on this. No pressure at all. So let's go and see. Can I get a story, boy? You see, I was telling you my mama was washing clothes right here. Look. Mama today, she wanna cook matoke for our family. Hey. So for instance, let me show you our outdoor kitchen. Maybe I think, hold for me a camera as I take those stones for whatever way. So this is the stones for today, and it's so heavy. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I think it's better here.
Yes.
Put it like this or like that way.
No.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay, we put it like this.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Oh guys, I'm going to take one more and then we'll see them here. Okay. Oh guys, so right now I have 3 blocks right now down here. I want to create like supporters for holding maybe the pot and free. Maybe right now you'll be my cameraman. Okay. So guys, the first step, oh my god, do like that. I think here. I'm looking at my camera. Wow. No, we must look the size of the pot. For example, this is the pot. First, it's okay or reduce?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So when it's okay, so this is the matchbox right here. Maybe first you can go and maybe looking for the stuff there.
Which stuff?
Ya kupulizia moto. Those later one. I think you wanna have my bat. So today we wanna cook right here. So guys, I'm going to split firewood right now. So guys, it's good to have the firewood to do things quick and fast. Oh my god. In our village here we use firewood. Split one. Wow guys, we do like this. Guys, I think we'll test this one is okay. So you can take. So this axe, I put it there. So this one for the stock. You must be very careful with those firewood. You go, I will help you take this. Okay. We're calling outdoor kitchen cooking. How do you see? Have firewood, plenty of them. So we're gonna cook right now here. I'm telling you guys. We start with the fire or cutting matumbo?
Cutting matumbo.
Okay. Guys, maybe we have water. Come move those buckets. Oh, we have another one right here. Oh, I remember that the small buckets for Matoke. Okay. You can be here. Or you want to try to fetch?
Yes, we try.
When it's hectic, you must be very careful. Yeah, because I haven't cemented here. But as soon as I want to work for this place. Huh? Imagine mengi. We have a lot of water. For the first time, maybe try to fetch water from our borehole.
Yes.
Yeah. You see how I was supporting my mom? Also, you can support your parent.
Yes, I will.
Yes. Wow, guys. First time fetching water in our borehole. Okay. One more.
Yes.
Oh guys, as you watch this video, please guys subscribe to Felicitas. I'll tag her link on my description, and also I love the way you react on my premiere. You know, the moment you chat with my subscriber, they can subscribe to your channel. You know? Yes. Oh guys, so let's give her time to fetch one more, and then you shall see us right there. So I don't want to show you how we cut meat, you know. Even me, I don't like to film too much. Maybe I'll show you how maybe we wash them. Okay, let me help you. Oh my god. I was carrying this bucket here. And then we pull up here. Okay. I supposed to bring a small jug. Or what do you think?
Yes,
For maybe fetching water? Or do you have it? Yeah, let me go in our small kitchen to bring a small jug. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the process of putting Matumbo. So guys, stay tuned. Boom. Wow, so right now, Felicitas want to light fire here. Yeah. Ah, you are the expert.
yes.
This fire right now here. Hey, be careful. Maybe something will burn your hair. Wow. Look at I love this kind of videos that we made in our village. This is a village lifestyle.
Yes.
Yes. Or no, don't put on other side. You put mabati to prevent maybe wind. Yeah. How do you see that way? You put, huh? Where cut? So and then we have already have Matumbo here. I don't want to show you on this spot right here. So when it's cooked, we want to show you guys. So wow, today it's a learning experience, you know. At the same time, I learn from each other. For example, I learned how Felicitas cook matoke, and maybe one day I'll cook alone. Boom. Okay. Guys, look how what fire is coming. Fire, fire. So my work is to sit here. Oh. I need to add water?
Yes, and a little salt.
Okay. Wow. Sasa kundi kina libakuli kubwa bana. Kitu kinachoma. This is a matchbox here. Yes, like that. And maybe you put this on top. What do you think?
So this is the banana matoke.
So you know, I tell my subscriber, today is a learning lesson. You know, I wanna learn from you how to cook matoke, and then one day I'll cook alone in my home here. Yeah. So I gain your experience from you.
So do you learn?
Yes, I'm learning.
Next time you will do it alone.
Yes, I will do it alone. So that's the reason why I need your help from you. How maybe you peel it, you cook, you know, to learn those processes, because I'm new on this game of cooking. Wow. Hey, fire is coming. Can I have a correra for your mokam? Fire, fire. Look how it's boom. Look how it's boom. You know, that's how we boil matumbo. And then soon you wanna see how people fry it matumbo. Oh my god. Guys, drop on the sweet comment. Look, we have 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. These are magic. Right here. Yeah, it's a magic, man. You know, there's some places they didn't use maybe this kind of maybe cooking. Yeah. And maybe they learned from people's. Wow.
So that's how you do how
Yeah.
we peel the banana.
Yep. Haina shida, mafuta tubembelezi. Yana Teresa. Oh guys, and that's how Felista peel its banana. Yep. Time to chop this ingredients: tomatoes, green pepper, you know, everything, tomatoes, and you have the coke. It's a blessing by itself. So right now I think Matumbo, it's ready. Let me show you guys. Look, this is Matumbo that we have here. So I left them to boil some minutes, and then Felistas will fry them. Guys, this soup, white soup, hey, that coke, something else. Wow. And the fire is boom boom boom. Look. Okay, at the same time you almost finish up.
Yeah.
All right, this is Matok right now here. I think Matumbo is already, like, you give them like 20 minutes, it will be okay.
20?
20 minutes, because we need something good. So guys, as I keep putting more fire here, I'm telling you guys, this thing's not easy. Not easy, guys. Right now here, these are pots here. So, hey man, something crazy. We put fire. We put fire, man. We put fire. Wow. Guys, more amazing videos coming. You know. Then my sister, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yes. So you came from school? Eh?
Yeah.
Aye. So it's almost lunchtime, guys. You see?
Not almost.
It's lunchtime? I'm so confused. Eh,
Okay,
maybe you just feel it. Yeah, feel it. Me, I learned from you. But in terms of cooking meat stew,
You know.
I'm perfect. I'm telling you, I'm perfect. Sure.
Matumbo.
Hey, let's learn from you. You know, Matumbo it was my first time. Like, it was my first experience. So I learned from you how you cook Matumbo. But I made like meat stew. Oh, I'm perfect. But guys, sorry we didn't have the chop board. But as soon we wanna have it, when I complete to build my mom's dream house and kitchen, we wanna have those kind. Maybe one day if you came to my village, you'd find those things. I think maybe because of time, my family will eat maybe even like my brother and sister, they will come maybe evening time to eat Matumbo. Because we don't want to rush up. Wow. Who taught you how to cook?
I know how to cook. I was born. I have a talent.
Guys, let me know in the comment section. Cooking, it's also the part of the talent. Let me know, because for instance, try to trick with one word. Like, she was born with those talents, know how to cook.
Yes.
Why don't you use this one? These seeds?
It's not good.
Yeah?
Okay, I don't know if it is.
Guys, let me know.
If the
Seeds of the pepper. These are green pepper.
Yeah. There is yellow pepper, white pepper, not white. White, there is yellow and red.
Okay.
Awesome. Yeah. So guys, I'm cutting the onions, green peppers and tomatoes. I know how to cut fast. I think one is enough.
One is enough? Okay. Me no idea on that. Okay. Kitabu chambe. Daddy, demo yuga. Mai bira ulwan tora mansi arengi kunchupa ansa. Ni.
So I think it is ready.
Yeah, it's ready. Ready.
So I have to.
Why don't you use sufuria to cook?
To cook what?
Matumbo.
Pot. I like cooking with
Pot. Guys, to be honest, every day it's a learning lesson. A day like this, I'm learning so many things from Feristas. You know.
First we add onions.
Eh? Maha gutire hayik.
So I'm adding.
Why don't you add cooking oil?
I'm adding. Don't worry.
Guys, at the same time, it's too hot.
Yeah, there is
That's cooking oil?
Yeah.
Okay. You can light fire. Okay. Okay.
So
why don't you put this one here? Because tomatoes is a lot. Yeah.
It will okay. Stop.
Okay. Guys, I'm drinking water.
So the tomatoes are made. So let me add my paper.
Okay. Sababu ya ule mzee.
Problema sana. Banyongo inachelewa kushika.
Those ingredients right there. Wow. You know the reason why, guys, we cook outside. We decide outside. We have fresh air.
Yes.
Right now it's sunny. It's so hot. Wow. I think tomatoes is ready.
Yes, but let's the onions and the pepper to be cooked until it turns
It's
brown.
to be cooked or cooked.
Don't know.
Maybe, guys, me I think
Will it cook?
To-
No,
to
it
re-
is to cook. not
cook
Yeah. And this one is coriander.
spices.
Yeah.
Okay. No idea on this.
And this is Draco cube.
To take after make a mug. Okay.
Can you
That's the rocky cube.
Yeah, this one.
One is enough. And guys, that's our small table right there. So
for bananas.
banana. Maybe me I think first you wanna cook this one,
Yes.
or what do you think about? Guys, if you're watching these videos, let me know in the comment section. You know, today is a learning lesson. I'm learning from you. I see my brother passing there. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. I think you're okay. They can sit there. Hey. Hey, tafika 10. Okay. Data mwita kuvutia. Kana machafu. Machafu. Okay. Wow. Maybe you'll be this side because fire is going on the other side. Different guys, let me know between this side and this side. Here we have more fire. Here. Maybe you'll be this side as you crash. Kung kung kung. Guys, I'm so hungry like a goat, but let me wait. And guys, this video is a combination video between I and Felicitas, you know, no pressure at all. Kuchukua na simu. Crash?
Yeah.
Okay. Like for example, when I'm learning my primary school, a mortar and pistol, like using for boom, like
Yeah, that's one you used to
crash.
crush like ginger. Yeah. Like
I think
that.
one day I could buy for my mom mortar and pistol. The way I see you done the process of like cook inside there.
I have to add this coriander spices.
Right there.
Then I add this little
Right.
here.
Okay. And then to add more flavor.
Yeah.
Alright.
Then you start. So let me
Oh my gosh. Whew. Guys, Matumbo is so yummy. You had those. Look guys, look.
let us
Okay.
have it.
And then I think you can cover these coriander spices because wind will take maybe
The particles.
the particles away.
So let me prepare for the
Matoke. Guys, sorry. I think one day I could build maybe some grass house, the small one, for maybe if you want to come and making traditional videos, even your sister, you know, if you want to come to my home making videos, the part of that house, it's as a memory. After this video, you wanna see people coming here, some YouTubers. You know me, I have a lot of friends outside here. Yes. So guys, it's time to put things outside. I think it's ready.
Yeah. So let me put here.
Okay. You cover.
Yeah.
Okay guys.
So it is time to cook, man.
That's okay. You can cover those pots. Go and cover. Guys, you need to cover them like that way. Okay.
Oh, here are green pepper and tomatoes. Not much onions.
Just cooking oil. Yeah, we'll put little because my family is not a lover of cooking oil.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, guys, I'm telling Felstars, like my family doesn't like too much cooking oil, you know. Wow. I think you wanna start washing banana, or what do you think? Yeah. Okay, show people how we wash. You know, today is a learning lesson. Bad. Oh, let me show you. Let me show you. I had put all of them inside. No, don't go. You know? I want to show you. I see one day my mama do some
I know how
process.
to do that.
Yes, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. I think, guys, the cooking stick. I want to help Felicitas to start. Hey!
Then you do like this.
Yes, like that way. No. You do this way.
Okay.
Because it needs. Yeah. Do one more.
So I think this one is good. Let me add tomatoes.
Add tomatoes. Okay. Hmm? That's sour too. You add salt. Manapa ka hands. You want me to help you? Come, you hold. You know, as a man, like as a boy, we use a lot of energy. You do like this. Boom.
I think
Sure.
it's
It's ready?
Yeah.
It's ready?
fancy.
Bado mara moja. Why do it this?
It will break.
You don't want to be break?
No. You come and hold it.
Okay. Do it.
Oh, let me wash it one more.
Guys, we keep struggling here. At the same time, I think the tomatoes, let me help you to crush or to pound. You add. Oh, that's Hello Baby on the control. Okay. For the flavor. Okay. I'm learning, man. Today's a learning lesson. Cooking banana for my family. That is it. This will make it. Okay. So guys, we'll show you for the next step. Stay tuned. Okay, I think banana is okay. So you can take it. And right now my cousin is enjoying here. They can give us a result. Yeah? Okay.
Very nice.
Okay. So right now is to put down Matumbo. No, that's Matoke. Okay, guys, it's time to eat, and maybe I'll go and call for my mama, so she will be able here and there. Wow. I'm asking my cousin how it tastes, yeah? Iko sawa? Okay, you eat. You come at right on time. Oh, guys, first come, first serve. Right there, my mama, she's enjoying Matoke, and also my sister came from school. Hey, Bruno is making noise. Stop it! You'll get food soon. Stop it. Alright, guys. Wow, look. When this is Koje. I'm asking my mama how about Matoke right here. Hey. Sister, how was Matoke? Nikitamu. So delicious. I'm telling you, man, it's not easy. It's by God's grace. And probably my... Okay. Wow. Look. They're enjoying. So sweet. For the love and support. I'm so tired. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Bye.